Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today would like to show you what's happening for the Bitcoin price, and especially guys, after the technical analysis, I would like to actually analyze you when I'm gonna get all in, because you have one more last chance guys to see Bitcoin into low levels, and then it's gonna be the perfect time to jump with all in, because subsequently we're gonna see the halving, and after the halving we're gonna see big prices of the Bitcoin price into levels that most people cannot even imagine. So if you would like to know exactly what's happening right now on the Bitcoin price, and also when is the time that I'm gonna go all in the Bitcoin price, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue guys, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trade. And before we continue, also I would like to show you my Patreon tier, which is this VIP Elite Soldier, and I recommend you guys, if you're interested to build wealth even in a bear market with an altcoin season that is probably on the corner, I suggest you to join right now on this group, because you're gonna find my buy and sell signals, but the most important part, you're gonna find my strategy that I follow, which is super smart strategy, which I deploy in the altcoin season. I play with the Bitcoin dominance. When the Bitcoin dominance is high, I'm actually buying altcoins. When the Bitcoin dominance is low, I actually convert these altcoins to Bitcoin, and I'm doing that repeatedly, and I'm building massive wealth, and actually I'm accumulating the top two, Ethereum and Bitcoin, by doing this strategy all over again until the bull run. Okay, because the bull run I make crazy gains through this strategy. And also the other important thing of this tier is actually the Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included on that community, and all together we are speaking with for crypto related things, and we analyzing project, the market, the Bitcoin market, and whatever you can imagine related with crypto. So it's highly recommended to enter right now, especially before an altcoin season. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video guys, and you can clearly see that today we didn't see any significant movement. We actually consolidating on this area of $27,100 and $27,200. We are moving with ups and downs, and guys, I believe, as I told you, that we could see a pump to the upside. But the most important part right now is not to see any pump in any random pump. We will need to see a big pump which is going to surpass the $28,000 for several reasons. If we completely zoom out, you're going to notice that we have a big downtrend movement of the Bitcoin price, which is this massive resistance. So with a big pump, we will get straight to this $28,000, which right now is a very strong resistance of this downtrend movement, and actually we will need to break that. And if we're going to break that, and we're going to confirm especially the daily candle above this massive daily blue line, which is, as I told you, is significant resistance, then guys, the situation is going to become extremely bullish. And as I'm expecting for the next coming months, 1 to 3 months, I'm expecting an altcoin season. And I have told you the reasons of that, because you can clearly see the Bitcoin dominance is right now under the 48%, and actually we broke this symmetrical triangle. You can clearly see here, if I zoom in better, you're gonna see that more clearly, that we broke this massive support here, and we are moving down. Right now today, this daily candle is actually looking green, but I believe the next coming days we're gonna see a continuation of this dump straight to 40%, 41% at that area, and that actually gonna bring us an altcoin season. This kind of time, obviously guys, won't happen overnight. We will need a couple days, couple weeks, even a whole month to get straight to this 40%, because as I told you in my previous videos, I believe that Bitcoin has a big chance to pump over $30,000. But the most important part of this incredible pump that we're gonna achieve, it's not actually the breakout of this massive yellow line, it's actually that we're gonna see an altcoin season. We're gonna see the altcoins guys into incredible pump, and we're gonna create a fake belief of the beginning of the bull run, which is not okay. It's gonna be it's gonna be a very big manipulation movement, not actually by the whales, but because the current situation, we have bank crisis. We saw big adoption with this bank crisis at $20,000 area. To remind you, it was here and we pumped a lot to the upside, and right now we have some strength, we have some bad economy. The news that sounding around the global economy is really bad. The US economy, the debt ceiling, everything is looking very bad, is looking terrible, and also we are going for a recession by the end of the year of 2023. So this could bring, guys, a big pump for the crypto space, but subsequently we're gonna see a massive dump. And here is actually the point of the title of the video, is where I'm gonna get all in on the Bitcoin price. As I told you, first, I believe that if we're gonna break this blue line and this green line and also this yellow line, that we could potentially see an altcoin season with Bitcoin into a big pump from $32,000-$33,000 up to $37,000-$38,000. We're gonna fluctuate in this area for a couple long months, and then we're gonna see the last cross. Okay, I don't know how low it could be, and I don't care, to be honest with you. The only thing that I care right now is to take profits if we're gonna see the altcoin season, and then with the profits and obviously with the cash that I'm accumulating right now, to jump all in into the last crash of the Bitcoin, which I believe it's gonna happen, guys, before the halving. The halving is gonna happen the March of 2024, if I don't do any mistake. So I believe and I'm expecting to see the recession at the end of the year and approximately at December. Okay, and I believe at that time we're also gonna see a big crypto crash too, which is gonna be the last one. Okay, we're gonna see massive drop, and obviously I don't know how low we could potentially see the Bitcoin price. I don't believe that we're gonna reach any new bottom or something like that. I believe if we're gonna see a terrible crash for the Bitcoin price, it's gonna be above the $20,000. But it's gonna be very, very shocking, because I believe that we're gonna see a Bitcoin pump over 35, 36, $37,000. So a big drop after that, instead of a continuation of the pump, it's gonna create big shock. So at that area is where I'm gonna wait to see a very a very big drop for the Bitcoin price, and there is where I'm gonna get all in for the Bitcoin price. Okay, I'm expecting this kind of scenario to happen approximately in December, January, a couple months before the halving. Okay, it's a perfect combination because it's very close to the halving. So as we saw in the previous bull run, the COVID that happened, and subsequently we saw the halving, and we saw the prices of Bitcoin in skyrocket. Exactly, I believe that in the same situation, that this scenario is going to play out for the bull run of 2024. Okay, so this is exactly what I would like to tell you. This is going to be the time that I'm going to actually go all in the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you're interested to actually get profits, as I'm going to do on this current situation, into a if we're gonna see a potential altcoin season, I suggest you and I recommend you to enter on my VIP Elite Soldier, because you're gonna miss incredible gains if you don't enter. And if we're gonna see the altcoin season, I'm gonna, guys, show you a proof why the guys that actually gonna join this group gonna make incredible gains, and they're gonna compound their BTC and the Ethereum, the two big cryptos, because this is the point of this strategy. From your initial BTC and Ethereum position, you're actually investing in altcoins, and you are playing with Bitcoin dominance and altcoin seasons, and you're actually taking profits in two big cryptos, either on Ethereum or either on BTC, whatever is your bigger preference. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Appreciate you a lot, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.